T-headed bolt with square neck. It is also similar to the square-headed bolt with square neck, but instead of the square head, here there will be T head. Okay, that is only different. Everything will be same. So in this type of diagram, a square neck is provided below the head, prevent the rotation of the bolt. This type of bolt is used for fixing vices and workpieces to the machine table having T slots. Okay, so if you see the diagram, so there is a width of T head, that is 0.8 D, and height of the head is 1.8 D. So if you see the neck dimensions is same as the diameter of the bolt, but width is 0.8 D. That means width of the neck is 0.8 D. Okay, that means square is D only. Okay, so these are the main dimensions for the T-headed bolt with square neck. So we will see the procedure how to draw the T-headed bolt with square neck. The title itself explains that there is a square neck for the T-headed bolt. Okay, applications also already we discussed now. So I would like to show the procedure how to draw the T-headed bolt with square neck. So if you see the diagram, this is the bolt of diameter D. Okay, this is called square neck. Okay, so dimensions of the square neck is equals to the diameter of the bolt. Okay, initially I am assuming D is equals to 20 mm only. Okay, automatically dimensions of the neck also will be same, that is 20 mm only. Okay, so here there is a T-shaped head. Okay, for the T-shaped head, so we have a standard value of the height, that is 1.8 into D. Okay, that is 1.8 into D. Okay, 1.8 into 20, that is nothing but 36 mm. Okay, next width of the head, here to here, this is the head now. This head width is equals to 0.8 D, 0.8 into 20. Okay, that would be around 16 mm. So this neck width also same, 0.8 into D only, that is also 16 mm only. Okay, these are the standard values we have to consider while drawing the T-headed bolt with square neck. Okay, so first of all draw the front view. So from this direction, if you see from this direction, so this part is visible. Okay, next this part is visible. Okay, so what is the height here? 1.8 into D. So first of all draw the axis line. So height of the head 1.8 into D, that is equals to 36 mm. Okay, at somewhere in that 36 mm, so half of the value you have to take above, half of the value you have to take below. Okay, what is the width of the head? 0.8 D. Okay, that is 16 mm only. Okay, after that this neck width, how much? 0.8 D only. But what is the height? Okay, this height also same as the diameter of the bolt. So initially what is the diameter here? 20 mm. Okay, that means here to 10 mm, here to 10 mm. Okay, this width is 16 mm only. Why? Because width of the neck and head is 0.8 D only. So here also you have to show like this. Okay, so here this is not a separated part, that's why you have to represent like this. Next, this diameter. Okay, length is not necessary. At any length you can take. For shaft, no need to take exact length. Okay, just you have to represent like this. This symbol indicates shaft. Okay, what is the diameter? D has 20 mm only. Okay, next, this is the front view. This is 1.8 G. So width of the head is how much? Width of the head. This is 0.8 D. So width of the neck also 0.8 D. So diameter B is equals to 20 mm. Okay. So this is the front view of a T-headed bolt with square neck. Okay. So if you draw the side view from this direction, side view. So initially this part is visible. Okay. And then this neck is visible. And then so this part and this part. Okay. These two are also visible in the side view. Okay. So if you project the front view like this, automatically we will get this height. Okay, next, what is the width? Keep in mind, this diameter is whatever the diameter is there. Okay, that diameter is equals to the neck dimensions. So whatever the dimensions for the neck is equals to this head dimensions. That means width is also D only. That means what is the diameter here? 20 mm. 20 mm. Okay. Next, this circle also visible now. Just project like this. Okay. In this length, draw one more axis line. Okay. Here, what is the diameter? 20 mm. That means 10 mm as a radius. Draw a circle. So if you draw as per the dimensions, so you will get exact circle here actually. Okay, you will get exact circle here from the side view. This neck also visible now. Okay, so this part we have to has. Actually, if you draw as per the dimensions with the compass, here you will get exact circle actually. Okay, here exact circle you will get. So this is the neck dimensions, this is the shaft dimensions, otherwise bolt dimensions. So this is the head dimensions. Okay, this is the side view. This is the front view. This is side view. So this is the information regarding procedure how to draw the T-headed bolt with square neck.